That guy thinks he's Satan.
To the gargle.
Pussy don't care. Pussy don't care.
You know, I love the fix more than anything.
Stay on my channel, yeah. Must have seen me on TV, yeah.
Okay, Mark, I have Eric on the line from our tech support department. He's going to help us investigate a little bit further.
Turn left. At the light, use the left 2 lanes to merge onto I-95 North.
Escape life terror. Pizza. Pizza.
I don't care if you think I'm Satan reincarnated.
Sucking the blood out of kids? Sucking the blood out of kids? Sucking the blood out of kids?
I drink the blood of a virgin.
The law. The law.
God loves you. God loves you.
God bless you.
I am the Grim Reaper, and my fingers are dirty with your filthy souls. Ugh, stupid assholes. Everybody shits their pants when they croak.
You think I'm crazy for telling you this shit? You stupid monkey lost on a ball in space as an accident?